Sorry.
तो फिल्म आ रही है दिल्ली वाली जालिम गर्लफ्रेंड. ये किस तरह से, जो नाम है ये किस तरह से आया? सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए फिल्म के बारे में.
नाम तो आया बिकॉज of course from the character that we have in the film and the story that there is, but earlier क्योंकि हमने overall काफ़ी उसमें जालिम चीज़ें होती है हमारे हीरो के साथ स्टोरी में, तो काफ़ी पहले हमारा टाइटल जब स्टार्ट हुआ था तो जालिम दिल्ली था, पर by the time the script completely got developed and everything, so जालिम दिल्ली वाली girlfriend is the character mainly, so we followed that and it's got a youthful vibe. That's what the film is, and it's more true to the character, to the vibe of the film.
Okay, what exactly is the film all about, if you want to ask?
See, the film is a very youngster film about this guy who loves this girl, and he is blind in love and he's ready to do anything for it, and after that he gets taken for a toss because you can't be blind in love, you have to keep your eyes open nowadays. So he falls into a lot of problems because of the girl, and then how he gets back to everybody and recovers himself and finds true love in the film finally.
How did Divyenndu came on board for the film?
See, Divyenndu, we have seen him in Pyar Ka Panchnama and Chashme Badur playing such nice characters with such conviction of, you know, the boy next door, and he's very, very talented. So we wanted a boy who, you know, would be very convincing in a very real slice of life kind of way, where he would get smitten by a girl, can get taken for a ride and actually can get back to them. Basically a cute next door boy. So he suited the role very perfectly for that, and he's super talented to play that kind of a thing. He's from Delhi himself, so he understands the lingo and everything that we caught on very well. He studied there and all, so he was a perfect choice for it.
Okay, Divyenndu से हटके अगर आपके बारे में पूछे तो it's your debut film, if you're not wrong. So किस तरह से आपने सोचा कि you have to work on this particular concept as well as on this film?
Me and Manu Rishi worked together on the concept and the script. He's written the script. He's actually developed the script. So, and Manu Rishi being from Delhi, having that entire, and I'm a Punjabi myself. So both of us wanted to get this flavor into the film, and I personally wanted to make a very young film about relationships and how girlfriends and boyfriends are, and not like it's not like a romantic film which is out and out in the eternal love kind of way. It's a very realistic today's love and today's relationships kind of story, and what people mostly face nowadays. So I felt very close to the story. I felt I could do justice to it, and I liked the flavor in it. So overall it was the best zone to pick up.
Is it inspired from somewhere or the other? That we can say?
Yeah, it's inspired from everybody. I'm sure everyone is going to relate to it. It is such a common phenomenon nowadays, and mostly we don't have any films on dating, and we don't have films on relationships that break and make and carry on, and how mostly even in Hindi films when we see love, we see it in a very, very, very eternal, forever, pure format. Even on television we see all Saat Janmo and all that. So in this case, of course, I think everybody will relate to it, and so does everybody within the film also, and I do too, yeah.
Japinder, tell us something about the music of the film, who all are on board and
the
musicians.
We have quite an assorted great music assemble here, which is with Honey Singh, and we have Jazzy B, Hardcore, Indeep Bakshi, who sung Saturday recently. He has done a very soulful track this time. We have Dr. Zeus, and Dr. Zeus who just gave Lovely from Happy New Year, and we have Meet Rozanjan and Jatinder Shah, who sung with Arijit Singh and Sunidhi Chauhan, and we have a couple of newcomers as well. So overall we have around 15 people with the music who have got the entire album in place, and we have 9 songs in which we have all club bangers, party, dancing, grooving numbers, and soulful romantic tracks, sad tracks, everything. So I'm sure as an album everyone's going to really enjoy the variety, the music videos, the look in it, and the feel and vibe of the whole film.
Can we say that it is a musical romantic comedy?
Yes, it's absolutely a musical with 9 songs. It's musical, it's romantic, it's comedy, and there's drama.
Okay, so finally what will be the last words for the film, in your own little words?
In the last words, okay, do watch the film. I'm sure you'll all enjoy it. It will be, like you said, quite a musical ride, a fun ride, and very entertaining and very sweet in the sense. I'm sure every person will feel कि ये शायद मैं हूँ. I don't think there's going to be anyone who's never going to feel that he didn't experience this or she didn't do this. It's always going to be very कि हाँ ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, ऐसा है.
Thank you, Jyotika. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jab.
What's happening?
Should I also do a pout?
एक पीस हमारी हम तीनों की अच्छी सी
With a pout?
फुल हो गया
फुल
Pout. Jati.
मैं हाइडिंग पीस आई एम वेरी बैड एट
एक आप दोनों
ओए होए What you're pouting? Change the expression.
I thought it's a pouting thing.
आप दोनों
हाँ क्या करें भाई बहुत मजा आया आपके साथ आज शूट करके the camera there wow so
वो कबूतर
thank you
वो कबूतर
हाँ मैं ही हूँ वो जालिम गर्लफ्रेंड जिसकी वजह से मूवी का नाम दिल्ली वाली जालिम गर्लफ्रेंड रखा गया है पर मैं ऐसे कोई बहुत जालिम नहीं हूँ जस्ट लाइक थोड़ी प्रैक्टिकल लड़की है थोड़ा लाइफ में पैसे को ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देती है और बट शी इज़ नॉट अ बैड गर्ल शी इज़ नॉट प्लेइंग विद इमोशंस बट थोड़ा सा मसाला फैक्टर ज़्यादा है कि वो थोड़ा सा मटेरियलिस्टिक है लाइफ में
दिव्येंदु के साथ केमिस्ट्री किस तरह से रही फिल्म
दिव्येंदु के साथ शुरू में तो आई वॉज वेरी लाइक आई यूज टू वी ऑल लव्ड हिम इन प्यार का पंचनामा एंड देन हीज अगेन मूवी केम चश्मे बदूर एंड ऑल So Devendra के साथ शुरू से it was like I'm going to act with a hero who is a well established good actor and he got best debutant also. So I was a little nervous but set पे आते it was a very chilled out scenario. My director was very cool. Devendra helped me a lot. Ira was a very very big support like she was always there on the set to help me. Pradyuman was there so I mean I had a very good time.
You have been working with the debutant as well as the director as well. So how was experience working with her?
मैं मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा. I felt very it was a comfort zone because it was her first movie and it was my first movie but if you will see the movie you'll not make out ki Japinder ki pehli movie I mean she has done a fantabulous job and then the amount of hard work they have put now I realize ki sirf acting karne ke baad it's a different game releasing a movie and doing other things is a different ball game altogether so I respect and hats off to everyone who has put so much of effort in making this movie and for that matter to any movie I mean I really thoroughly enjoyed it
म्यूजिक की बात करें तो फिल्म में आपके ऊपर कोई गाना हमें सुनने मिलेगा
कोई मतलब ऐसे आपने कैसे पूछा मेरे ऊपर 4 गाने मेरी मूवी में आई हैव अ रोमांटिक सॉन्ग आई हैव अ सैड सॉन्ग आई हैव अ सॉन्ग विद हनी सिंह सो इट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम इट्स हैपनिंग इन अ मूवी दैट हनी सिंह इज सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर अ गर्ल एंड दैट टू वी आर परफॉर्मिंग टुगेदर एंड इट्स अ बर्थडे सॉन्ग विच आई थिंक बचपन से ही गाना सुन रहे हैं कि हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता बबलू डब्लू तो आई थिंक आफ्टर दैट टाइम एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग सा बर्थडे सॉन्ग आएगा दैट्स बाय हनी सिंह and then I have a romantic number sung by Sunidhi Chauhan and Arijit Singh. Then one is with this new composer who made this song Saturday, and then we have a song with Jazzy B and Hardcore. So I think for a newcomer like me, I can't get a better platform than this.
So finally, what will be the last words for the film in your own little words?
In my own little words, first of all, it's a musical delight for everyone. जो भी गाना सुनेगा, they will fall in love. सॉन्ग चाहिए आइटम नंबर रोमांटिक सैड हर टाइप के सॉन्ग्स है मूवी में एंड दैट टू बाय वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपोजर्स इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड द नेम इज सो कैची दिल्ली वाली जालिम गर्लफ्रेंड दैट माइट बी आई थिंक दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजन पीपल वांट टू नो अबाउट द मूवी एंड उसके अलावा दिव्येंदु प्रद्युमन ईरा दुबे जैकी श्रॉफ सर सो ऑल एस्टेब्लिश्ड कैरेक्टर्स हु आर really good in their character like seeing their previous movies so me as a newcomer I'm in like in a comfort zone ki matlab I'm getting a screen to share with all these good people so everyone who like movies like with good story and good music would all love to come and watch this movie.
Thank you Prachi.
Thanks a lot.